Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana. I have brought the magic short tricks on trigonometric ratios. These tricks are very simple. Let us try to understand these tricks one by one. Now look here, this is trick number 1. Look here, this is trick number 1. This is sine theta 1 plus sine theta 2 plus sine theta 3, so on sine theta n. In the denominator, it is cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3, so on cos theta n. Its answer comes tangent theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 over plus theta n divided by n. This is the actual average. It is the mean of all thetas. So there are n thetas here, denominator also, sine by cos becomes tangent, and you have to take the average of the angles. Add all the angles. Now let us go with the example number 1. It is sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta, sine 7 theta, sine 9 theta. Same way in the denominator, cos 3 theta, cos 5 theta, cos 7 theta, cos 9 theta. So answer will be tangent. Add them. 3 theta, 5 theta, 7 theta plus 9 theta divided by 4. It becomes 24 by 4, that is 6 theta. Tangent 6 theta. This is the answer. Option is B. Now let us go. This is question is done. Same way. यहाँ पे ऊपर cos वाले हैं, नीचे sin वाले हैं. एवरेज निकाल दो एंगल्स की. 3 plus 5 plus 7, it becomes 15. 15 by 3 is 5. Cot 5 theta. Option is D. Question is done. Sin 2 theta plus sin 4 theta sin 6 theta. Same way नीचे cos 2 theta plus cos 4 plus cos 6 theta. एवरेज निकाल दो. Sin by cos is tangent. This is tangent. अब इसका एवरेज निकालो सारे एंगल्स का. 3 this 2 theta plus 4 theta plus 6 theta, that is 12 theta. 12 by 3 is 4 theta. Question is done. This trick number 1 is explained to you. It is very simple. Only you have to write either, answer is either tangent theta or cot theta. अगर sin theta वाले ऊपर हैं, cos theta वाले नीचे हैं, then it becomes tangent. And you have to take the angle as average of all the angles. Okay, now let us go to trick number 2. Trick is here. Trick number 2 is explained like this. Sin theta into sin 60 minus theta into sin 60 plus theta is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Same way, cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta is 1 by 4 cos theta. अब इनको डिवाइड कर दीजिए. Sin by cos is tangent. Sin by cos is tangent 60 minus theta. Sin by cos tangent 60 plus theta. This is equal to tangent 3 theta. 1 by 4 से 1 by 4 कट जाएगा. Sin 3 theta over cos 3 theta is tangent 3 theta. Now let us go to the examples. Here it is example number 1. It is cos 20 plus 8 sin 70 sin 50 sin 10. In the denominator it is sin square 80. अब देखिए यहाँ पे आप we know that sin 10 sin 50 sin 70. This is sin 10 sin 50 sin 70. Increasing order में लिख दो. Now look here. Sin 10, इसको थीटा मान लो, sin थीटा. This is sin 60 minus theta. 50 क्या होता है? 60 minus 10. और this is 60 plus 10. So sin वाले sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta. This is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. This is the trick. 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Now put the values. Look here. The answer is 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Theta is 10. Sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Answer will become 1 by 8. Now our question was cos 20 plus 8 into this and this is 1 by 8. 8 into 1, 1 बन गया, and in the denominator it is sine square 80. So we will be applying cos 2 theta formula, which is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So 1 plus cos 20, 2 cos square 20 minus 1, 1 कट जाएगा, 2 cos square 20. नीचे sin square 80 है, sin 80 और cos 10 they are equal. So this is cancelled, answer is 2. So option is D. Now let us go to the next example. Example number 2. You have to find the value of sin 20, sin 40 degree, sin 60, sin 80. Options are given to you. Now let us, we know that sin 20 into sin 40 into sin 80. This is equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. देखिए इसको थीटा मान लो 20 को. This is 60 minus 20. This is 60 plus 20. This trick is there. So 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Theta is 20. जो छोटे वाला एंगल है वही थीटा होता है. तो 1 by 4 sin 3 into 20 sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is, answer is root 3 by 8. But sin in the question, sin 60 was also there. Sin 60 से multiply कर दो, ये that is also root 3 by 2. It becomes 3 by 16. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 8 into 2 is 16. So the answer is C. Option C is there. Now let us go to the fourth example. Find the value of cos 10, cos 30, cos 50, cos 70. cos 30 की वैल्यू हम जानते हैं, इसको छोड़ दीजिए. cos 10, cos 50, cos 70 यहाँ पे ले लीजिए ब्रैकेट के अंदर. दिस बिकम्स cos theta, cos 60 minus theta, cos 60 plus theta. Theta is 10. So it becomes 1 by 4 sin 3 cos 3 theta. Theta is 10. So 3 theta will be 30. 1 by 4 cos 30. And value of your cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Put the value here, you get root 3 by 2 into 1 by 4 into root 3 by 2. It becomes 3 by 16. Option A is there. Questions are done within seconds, 10 seconds each. Now look here. Next trick is method of substitution. It says if an expression is independent of an unknown parameter, then we can put any suitable value for that parameter to minimize the calculation. Now look here, यहाँ पे पैरामीटर इज थीटा, लेकिन इसके आंसर में थीटा नहीं है. सो एज पर दिस, इफ एन एक्सप्रेशन इज इंडिपेंडेंट ऑफ अननोन पैरामीटर, देन वी कैन पुट एनी सुटेबल वैल्यू ऑफ दैट पैरामीटर. थीटा की कुछ भी वैल्यू लगा सकते हैं. अब देखिए, इसको थीटा की जगह 0 लगाओ, कम से कम लगाओ 0. व्हेन थीटा इज 0, साइन थीटा इज 0, कॉस थीटा इज 1. लुक हियर, it is 0 plus 1. 6 into 0 plus 1, 9 into 0 plus 1, minus 9 हो गया, plus 4. The answer comes, this is 6 minus 9 plus 4. So answer will become 1. Next, example number 2. Tangent alpha is m over m plus 1. Tangent beta is 1 over 2m plus 1. We have to find alpha plus beta. We have to find the value of alpha plus beta. Now look here, अगर आप m की जगह 0 लगा देते हैं, it becomes tangent alpha becomes 0 over 0 plus 1, that is 0. Tangent alpha 0, alpha is 0. अब यहाँ पे tangent beta और आपने m को 0 लगा दिया है. अब देखिए 1 over 2 into 0 plus 1, 1 over 1. Tangent beta is 1 over 1, मतलब 1. Beta is pi by 4. So alpha plus beta will become 0 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 4. Option B is there. Now let us go further. The value of this expression, that is cos alpha sin beta minus alpha, cos beta sin gamma minus alpha, cos gamma sin alpha minus beta. इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है। अब देखिए अल्फ़ा बीटा गामा को आप 0 लगा दो, व्हाट यू विल गेट 0 0 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, hence option A is there, hence option A is there, this is 0. So now you have looked that the tricks are very easy and you can solve them in seconds. So I hope you will come out with flying colors if you remember the magic short tricks like this. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.